Hello food lovers, summer is the time when everyone craves for refreshing drinks and shakes. Today we are sharing a frozen banana and vanilla shake which is equally tasty as an ice cream shake, but with not even 1/4 of its calories. Enjoy this guilt-free shake without compromising with the taste. Let's begin.
If you're watching this for the first time, then please subscribe to our YouTube channel CurriesToCustard. Also, you can follow us on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram as well. So let's get started.
For making frozen banana vanilla shake, we need banana 3, milk half cup or 100 ml, vanilla essence few drops, honey 1 to 2 tablespoons. Let's start the procedure. Start with peeling and then freezing the bananas for at least 6 hours or overnight for better results. Now add all the ingredients in a blender one by one. First frozen bananas, then milk, honey and finally some vanilla essence. Blend everything till the bananas become creamy in texture. You can add some more milk if you find it difficult to blend the bananas. Time to serve it in a glass and enjoy. Don't forget to take a spoon as well, as you won't like to miss even the scraps at the bottom of the glass. Because of frozen bananas and vanilla essence, the shake looks quite creamy and smells great, as if you have added some ice cream to it. Do try making this delicious recipe and share your thoughts with us. We hope that this recipe comes out great for all of you. Thank you and stay tuned until we meet again. Namaste.